Assalamu alaikum students. Here is Sir Salim praying for your good health. Welcome to online classes managed by Little Stars Secondary School. Dear students, we have learnt in the past about present, past and indefinite past and future tenses, and there are three kinds: indefinite, continuous and perfect tense. Now today we shall discuss about present perfect continuous tense. In this tense, you can see the pattern on your screen. That is subject, then helping verb, and helping verb will be has been or have been, then verb that will be first form plus ing, then for or since. After that, in the last, we shall write object. Examples are: I have been learning the poem since morning. Tariq has been practicing for 2 months. We have been washing the dishes since 2 p.m. They have been learning in this house for 2 years. To change in the same sentence into negative form, we put not in between has been or have been to change it in negative form. And in the same way, we put subject in between has been or have been to change into interrogative form. Now, we shall discuss about since or for afterwards in the next lecture. Today I have only discussed about changing into negative and interrogative form. देखिए इसमें प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस में सब्जेक्ट, इसके बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो है हैज़ बीन या हैव बीन होता है, फिर वर्ब की पहली फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी, इसके बाद फॉर या सिंस और इसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट. नेगेटिव बनाने के लिए हैव बीन के दरमियान नॉट लगा देंगे या हैज़ बीन के दरमियान. इसी तरीके से इंटरोगेटिव बनाने के लिए हैज़ बीन के दरमियान सब्जेक्ट लिखेंगे और ये जो आपका सेंटेंस है वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब से शुरू होगा विद द सब्जेक्ट इन बिटवीन हैज़ बीन और हैव बीन. Okay, I hope that you will have understood, and you have to do the home task which is given on the screen and submit it within 2 to 3 days. Okay, Allah Hafiz.